Welcome to the September Spotlight on Life Insurance, brought to you by ProducersWeb.com. I'm Paul Wilson, and in this broadcast we'll cover some of this topic's biggest trends and most insightful research. This Spotlight on Life Insurance is sponsored by Creative Marketing, Making a Difference. For more information, please visit www.creativemarketing.net. Robert Benmosh, the newly named CEO of AIG, expects the insurer to repay its debts to the government and increase value for shareholders. Quote, "My first charge is to get the company to operate at the level it used to operate, being the world's best. The fact is, we owe the U.S. government a lot of money, and we are not going to be able to pay it back just by our profits, so we will sell some of the company off, but only at the right time at the right price." Unquote. After AIG was saved from bankruptcy by a federal bailout late last year, its stocks lost value and shareholders received a nearly 80% stake in the wake of the federal aid. Benmosh hopes to pay back more than $80 billion to the Federal Reserve and Treasury while keeping the life insurer stable. Despite searching for ways to save money, Americans consider holding on to their life insurance policies a top priority, according to a recent report by Prudential Financial, Inc. The report, titled "The Value of Life in Tough Economic Times," found that 93% of respondents consider life insurance a must. In addition, although 70% said they have reduced routine spending, 84% said they view the cost of life insurance as relatively minimal compared with other budgetary items. Meanwhile, 95% of consumers said they realize that life insurance could become much more expensive to purchase as they grow older, while 55% said they're concerned that health conditions could make insurance harder to obtain. Annualized premiums for individual life insurance followed first quarter declines of 26%, with a 20% drop in the second quarter, according to LIMRA's U.S. Individual Life Insurance Sales Report. According to Ashley Durham, senior analyst of LIMRA Product Research, quote, "Despite recording the steepest six-month decline since the second half of 1942, the second quarter gave us reasons to be hopeful. 40% of companies were able to increase their total individual sales over the second quarter of 2008, unquote. Variable sales fared worse, down approximately 50% for the second quarter and 55% during the first half of 2009. Meanwhile, universal life sales fell 20% for the quarter and 27% during the first half of the year, marking the fourth consecutive quarter of double-digit declines. Whole life and term performed far better, with whole life declining just 3% in the second quarter and 4% for the first half, while term also fell 3% for the quarter and 3% for the first half. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching this Spotlight on Life Insurance. To see more video spotlights on your favorite products and practices, find them on ProducersWeb.com and browse by topic.